Hello everyone, welcome to your remote learning math class. This is Ms. Blanchard. Today we will be learning about graphing quadratics in standard form. So to get us going, the first thing we're going to look at is our quadratic parent function. Parent function meaning this is how it all starts. So with that being said, if you look at this quadratic, you can see that the vertex here starts at 0, 0. The vertex is the minimum or the maximum, and the vertex here starts at 0, 0. That is the point. Okay, that's the vertex of the parent function. All right, so when you have the vertex, you just need about 1 or 2 points to kind of sketch out your parabola, and I'll show you what that looks like when we get there. Okay, you have two forms. You have the vertex form and the standard form. In both forms, you'll have the letter A, and when you have the letter A, what that means is if the A is positive, the parabola opens upward, and if the A is negative, the parabola opens downward. So if it opens upward, there's a minimum point. If it opens downwards, there's a maximum point. So to first find the standard form of, to graph the standard form of the quadratic, you must first find the vertex. Then you find the axis of symmetry. Then you plot the C, and then you reflect over the lines of symmetry to kind of sketch out your parabola. So what does all this look like? All right, so I like to label. I'm a labeler. So I like to say A, B, and C. So the first thing our rules or our steps tell us is to find the vertex first. So to find the vertex first, the formula is x equals negative b divided by 2a. Now, as you can see, the vertex should be an ordered pair. The vertex here only tells us the x. So to find the y, you must take your x, plug it into the equation to get y. So what does this look like? And no, it's not hard and it's not time consuming if you do it right. So what does this look like? Well, you have x equals negative b over 2a. There's no x in this name, so x equals negative b, which would be negative 8 over 2a. So 2 times negative 2. So here you have x equals negative 8 over negative 4, which is 2. Positive 2. So now we have our x. In order to get our y, we go back in, we plug the 2 in to solve for y. So we would plug 2 in for all the x's in the equation. Okay? So here you would have negative 2 times 2 squared plus 8 times 2 minus 3. So you have negative 2 times 2 squared, which is 4, plus 16 minus 3. 4 times negative 8, negative 2 is negative 8, plus 16 minus 3. So negative 8 plus 16 is 8. Minus 3 would give me 5. So my vertex is actually x when x is 2, y is 5. So I have a vertex of 2 and 5, okay? And I have the starting point, which is C. C here is your starting point, which our starting point is 0, negative 3. So here's how you can do this. Our vertex is 2, 1, 2, and you'll have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The A in this equation tells us if the parabola is going to open going up or going down. Here, because it's negative, we know that it's going to open going down. So what we're going to do here is plot the y-intercept, which is 0, -3. 0, and then this -3. And since I know my parabola is opening down, I just kind of like slightly trace it or something. And then I draw my line of symmetry. You can draw your line of symmetry. And how far away from the line of symmetry is the next point? And I always do y-intercept, so 1, 2. So I'm going to go 1, 2 on the opposite side. So they'll be even, and then there we go. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is your parabola. My hands look a little funky, I'm sorry, but that's how you would do that. The second one, if it allows me. All right, so the second example here, we do not have a y-intercept or a c. So since we do not have a c, we're going to automatically assume that our c is 0. So we can say our c here is 0. So we can plot our first point as 0, 0. Okay. Now we have to find the vertex still. So the vertex here would be x equals 8. No. X equals x equals 8 over -2 times a, which is also 2. So we have 8 over -4, which is -2. So our x for the vertex is -2. We're going to take this and plug it back into the equation. So -x squared, so it'll be 2 times -2 squared plus 8 times -2. So 2 times -2 squared is 4. And here we have -16. So this is 8 minus 16. We actually have -8. So our vertex is -2 and -8. And our y-intercept is 0, 0. So let's go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there go 2 points. And the line of symmetry is down the middle. So 1, 2, 1, 2. All I did was, once I draw my line of symmetry, I know that whatever's done on one side has to be done on the other. And that's what I did, was count how far away from the line of symmetry is the point I already know, and to draw the other point. And then yeah, and then it's supposed to open going up, but my points are funky. But I'm hoping that this clarified some things up for you. If not, please come see me during my Zoom times at 10:30 and 1:30. I look forward to seeing everyone. You do have practices connected to this. If you have any questions, please refer back to the PowerPoint. I look forward to seeing your progress, and please contact me when you need me. Have a good one.